Hindi,
Shopee.
ayan, okay na, okay na.
Ito,
Game. Okay na eh.
okay na. Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to another tutorial video. For today, we're going to discuss about identifying percentiles using t-distribution table. So, let's begin. Problem 1. If the area on the right is 0.10, what is the area to the left T1? What does T1 represent? Find the value of T1, the degree of freedom, 30. So, let's first identify what is the area to the left T1. So, we all know that the t-distribution is equal to 1. So, we're just going to subtract 1 by the area to the right, which is 0.10. And it will give us the formula. 1 minus A times 100% is equals to P. So let's substitute 0.10 to A. 1 minus 0.10 is equals to 0.90 times 100%. So we're going to multiply it by 100% to get the percentile that T1 represents. And it will be 90%. So this means that the area to the left, T1, is 0.90. Also, it means that T1 represents the 90th percentile. Next, let's find the value of T1 if the degree of freedom is 30. So to find the value of T1, we're going to take a look at the t-distribution table. We're going to find 0.10 in the upper part of the table and 30 in the left part of the table, which is the degree of freedom. So here is the 0.1 and 30, and it will give us 1.310. This means that the value of our t is 1.310. Next, problem number 2. Find the area to the right of 1.679 under t-distribution with a sample size of 47. So in order to find the area to the right of 1.67 under t-distribution with a sample size of 47, we're going to find the area of 1.679 under t-distribution with a sample size of 47. But we can see here that the given is sample size. So we're going to find first the degree of freedom in order to find the area of 1.7. So if we recall the past lessons in t-distribution, the degree of freedom is equals to n minus 1, where n is the sample size. So let's put 47 to n. So 47 minus 1 equals to 46. So our degree of freedom is 46. So now, let's take a look at the t-distribution table. So let's find 46 in the left column, which is our degree of freedom, and move to the right until we get the 1.79 and move upward, and our area is 0.05. So in order to find the area to the right of 1.79, we're also going to use the formula that we used in the first problem, which is 1 minus A times 100% is equals to B. Let's substitute the area that we get in the t-distribution table, which is 0.05. 1 minus 0.05 is equals to 0.95 times 100%, it will be 95%. So this means that the area to the right of 1.679 under a t-distribution with a sample size of 47 is 0.95.
Yan. Teka lang. Saan si JP?
Stop sharing.
Ano, okay. Ma-clear sa'yo? Ah, sige.
Good na
Goods
yan.
yun ha. Goods yun. Goods. Okay.
Ikaw
Ako
naman.
naman. Teka lang.
Pagdugtongin na lang natin.
Oo, dali lang. Entire screen. Kita na, pre? Pre, kita?
Okay na. Kita.
Lebron James talo. Wait lang. Pre, wait lang ah.
Sige lang.
Goods na. Pre, kita ba?
Kita.
Yan. Here, in problem number 3, find the area to the right of 2.650 under a T distribution with 13 degrees of freedom. We have formula of quantity quantity of 1 minus A times 100% equals P. Wait nga lang, pre. Ma! Sorry, pre. Ito na talaga. Go. Pre, okay na?
Okay lang.
Here, at problem number 3, find the area to the right of 2.650 under a distribution with 13 degrees of freedom. We have a formula, quantity of 1 minus A times 100% equals P. We need to find the value of A. To find it, we will use the table and the given number of DF 13 and 2.650, and we will find the 0.01. That's the value of A, and substitute the 0.01 to A. Now, subtract 1 minus 0.01 is equals to 0.99 times 100% equals 99%. So the area to the right of 200.650 under a T distribution with 13 degrees of freedom is 0.99. Tama ba, Bered?
Tama.
Now, in problem number 4, find the area to the left of 2.787 under a T distribution with 25 degrees of freedom. So, the formula is same. Quantity of 1 minus A times 100% equals P. Find the value of A. We can see the value of A is 0.005. We need to substitute it to the A. Now, 1 minus 0.005 is equals to 0.995 times 100% equals to 99.5%. Now, the area to the left of 2.787 under a T distribution with 25 degrees of freedom is 0.995. Intro na, ay outro na pre.
Sige, sige. Para na yung sabihin.
So that it is all for today. See you. Ay, teka lang. Take two pre. So that is all for today. See you on the next video. Bye-bye. Grade 12 na kami. Grade 12 na kami.
Ay,
Siyempre, kakat-cut
Okay
ko
na?
na lang. Okay na yan.